Ocha is mean teeth or green teeth. For the ocha or teeth, in Japan, they don't have in the restaurant or in the office, but they will have the teeth for in the Japanese house. And if you have friends in Japan, and when you go to visit your friends in the house, so they will serve you by teeth or ocha, because Japanese style, if in their house or their home, they serve the guests by ocha, teeth. They don't serve by coffee or by water, but depend to you. If you need the ocha, they will give you the ocha, and if you need the water, they will give you the water, but first they will give you the ocha. Ocha wa ikaga desu ka? Ocha wa ikaga desu ka? Which means, do you need any teeth? If you need, you say お願いします。はい、お願いします。はい、お願いします。which means, please give me some teeth. If you don't need, you say いいえ、大丈夫です。